Substack has been making waves as a go-to platform for newsletter creators, but is it really the best option out there? Today we're diving into its features, usability, and whether it truly delivers for creators, or if it falls short. Substack is designed specifically for writers and creators looking to monetize their content through newsletters. At its core, it allows you to easily set up a subscription-based model where readers can pay for premium content. The user interface is straightforward and intuitive, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. You can customize your newsletter's design, manage subscribers, and even publish posts directly from the platform. One standout feature is the simplicity of the monetization process. Creators can start charging subscribers with just a few clicks. However, while the platform shines in ease of use, there are some areas that feel a bit lacking. For instance, analytics tools could be more robust and there's limited customization for branding beyond the initial setup. Overall, Substack feels tailored for individual creators but may not cater as well to teams or larger organizations. Let's break down the strengths and weaknesses. On the pro side, Substack is incredibly user-friendly, allowing creators to start monetizing quickly. The built-in payment system is a big plus for those looking to make money from their writing. However, there are some frustrations. The analytics are basic, which might not satisfy those who want deeper insights into their audience's behavior. Additionally, the platform's customization options are somewhat limited, which could be a deal breaker for creators wanting a unique brand identity. Also, while Substack is free to start, the revenue share model can cut into your earnings as you grow. This might not appeal to everyone, especially those with larger subscriber bases. In conclusion, Substack is a solid choice for independent creators wanting to launch newsletters and monetize their work without much hassle. However, if you're looking for advanced analytics or extensive customization, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying if you're focused on simplicity and direct monetization.